Srila Prabhupada, you have given us in abundance. We are like paupers. In this world, to get the access to our ancestors' property or wealth, what we need is just to stay alive and be in the family. In your word, in one of the purport, you mention, a miser do not know how to utilize the wealth they have acquired simply by good fortune. And we are recipient of that good fortune. And what is that wealth? That wealth is, I would like to summarize in A, B, C, D. A, Aadhaar. Prabhupada, you have given us the Aadhaar. You have introduced us to ourselves by explaining who am I? What is my relationship with the Lord? Who is my real father? How can I go back to my original home? A also stands for association. Your association is available today through your books, through your disciples, in our good time or our bad time. They are available to us through their personal association or through their prayers. B, you have given us the base. Your books are the basis for the next 10,000 years. Bhaktivedanta purports cannot be understood in one reading. We need association, we need guidance to understand. And when we drown ourselves deeply into that, then we don't need any other basis. This is your great contribution and blessing and wealth given to us. We also stand for those who are preaching boldly. They are brave. We also stand for balance. Those who are giving the balanced purport, balanced understanding of teaching. And we also stand for bhav, maintaining the spirit of your teaching by explaining those. C. C stands for charitra, character. Through following the process of maintaining four bhavs, four regulative principles, you have given us the character. And you have given us the cultures by following various festivities and also a lifestyle. C also stands for chanting. Your love, earlier this chanting was available only for holy people at holy places. You have brought this chanting on the street and every house. We are fortunate that we have access to chanting. You took great joy in explaining the importance of chanting. Once, while you were in Indore, so many times you have spoken this pastime, and you started by saying, in the city of Kanyakubj, there lived a Brahman. This Kanyakubj is, by the way, happens to be Kanpur. And this pastime took place thousands of years ago. And there was only one Azamil at that time. And now we have Azamil all around. While mentioning the importance of the holy name, you took great joy. Yesterday we heard how you took great joy in reading Krishna, in hearing Krishna, your own purports. Why? Because you believed that these were not your own, but they were the transcendental ecstasy, blessings of Sri Krishna coming through you through parampara. And lastly, D. You have given us a daily program. You have given us devotees. You have given us deities. You have given us the true definition of devotion. You have given us the Damodar Leela. You have given us the departure way. On this very auspicious day, you departed. While you were mentioning the pastime of Ajamil, you also mentioned how affectionate Ajamil became to his son Narayan. And you, with great sentiments, you also narrated how when your father was departing from this world, he was thinking of you. Where is Abhay? And with great emotion you mentioned that my father delayed his departure by a day because I was not in town when he was to depart. And when you departed, Srila Prabhupada, you showed us the way how to depart. अब कोई इच्छा नहीं. This is good enough to prepare for that departure. Srila Prabhupada, we are grateful for all the wealth that you have given us in this lifetime. If we are not careful, we will either reduce it or we will lose it. Your wealth is special because it has come from Goloka. And this wealth you have kept very secretly, not available to everyone, but in one sense it is easily available. Why? Because the lock is there, but you have also inserted the key in it. We have to just turn the key in the right direction. If I can do that, if I can turn it to the right direction, means I can assist those who are assisting you. That would be success of my appreciation, my success of my life, and taking full advantage of the wealth you have distributed to all of us. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.